Bezier curve creation and editing is now available within PowerMILL 2012. Bezier curves are used to model smooth parametric curves either by selecting points via the mouse or by entering data directly into the coordinates box. This functionality will be recognized by PowerShape users, and now PowerMILL has the ability to directly provide the capability of Bezier creation and editing within the Curve Editor toolbar. Existing PowerMILL users will find the creation of Bezier curves is easy and straightforward to use, and is identical in operation as creating a continuous line. Points have been imported into this PowerMILL session, which will be joined together using a Bezier curve to create a continuous smooth parametric curve. By creating a pattern and accessing the curve editor with the new functionality to create a Bezier curve, we'll zoom in to the first area, and using the intelligent cursor to assist us, we will select the key points that we wish to include to create this smooth parametric curve. Moving the cursor along to each recognizable point, waiting for the intelligent cursor to assist us and confirm we're in the right place, and just left clicking as we go. When we finish with the curve, you can press escape. We'll have finished defining the curve, and the smooth parametric curve will have been defined for us. I will now accept this curve, and going into the toolpath I have here, clicking settings, under curve definition I'll enter that pattern. I will check now to ensure that we are machining the right side. Change it over. I'm happy with that. I can accept. I'll calculate now and cancel. We've now created a smooth, continuous cutter path from points using the Bezier curve creation and editing. Bezier curves can also be created using the coordinates box. By removing the previous geometry and the toolpaths that we've already created, we will now see how this can be done. Again, go to patterns, create a pattern, using the curve editor, select the Bezier curve again, and this time we'll use the coordinates box. Position the first point, apply. Second point, apply, and finally a third point. Accept that, press escape. We've created a nice flowing parametric smooth curve. If we wish to edit that, we can go into the curve editor again. We can turn the numbering on to help with an ease identification, and we can see that by merely grabbing a point we can move it round and to choose where we place this new point, including snapping it to existing geometry. I'll undo this. There are two keys that can be used as a modifier to help in the movement of these points on a parametric smooth curve. They are the Shift key and the Alt key. Holding down the Shift key during dragging of the tangent will restrict the editing of the tangent to only the magnitude. The direction of the tangent will no longer be modified. So I'm holding down the Shift key. I can select the point where I wish to put it, but then no matter where I've moved my handle, I can only change the magnitude. I cannot change the tangency. The same on the other end. I can change the magnitude but not the tangency. By returning to our original state, I can demonstrate how using the Alt key during the dragging of the tangent will cause both tangents for the point to be modified at once, maintaining the curve smoothness. For example, if I select the point and move it, I will only move one handle at a time. However, using the Alt key, when I grab one handle, both sides change. This ensures that the smoothness of the curve is maintained. It is possible to combine the Shift and the Alt key as a combination for key modifiers to modify a curve. While these two examples have demonstrated how we may create a smooth Bezier parametric curve, it is also worth considering that we can use this curve creation techniques to snap onto existing geometry to provide a smooth curve to assist us in our machining. This is the new functionality contained within PowerMILL 2012 for the creation and editing of Bezier curves.